In this lesson, we'll learn the katakana characters for the 5 vowel sounds in Japanese. A, I, U, E, O. The first character we'll learn is A. 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 Which of these characters is A? A. The next character we'll learn is I. 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 Which of these characters is I? I. Ice. Ice. Iron. Iron. The next character we'll learn is U. 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 Which of these characters is U? U. Ukulele. Ukulele. Out. Out. Uirus. Uirus. The next character we'll learn is E. 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 Which of these characters is E? E. West. West. The final character we'll learn is O. 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 Which of these characters is O? O. Violin. Violin. We learned the characters A, I, U, E, O. In the next lesson, we'll learn the characters Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. See you in the next video.